Welcome back to Smart Gadget IQ, where we bring you the smartest, most futuristic gadgets redefining innovation. Today, we're unboxing the coolest AI gadgets of the year, each one smarter, sleeker, and more mind-blowing than the last. Intro. So, I've been thinking a lot about the state of AI hardware lately. For a while, AI lived in the cloud, powering search and voice assistants, but now it's baked directly into the hardware we use every day. We're moving beyond phones and speakers into a weird, experimental phase. And that's what today is all about. We've got 7 of the most forward-thinking, sometimes wild AI gadgets on the market. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, the Rabbit R1. Minimalist unboxing, and there it is. A bright fluorescent orange square with teenage engineering design DNA. Small, dense, pocketable. A tiny touchscreen, wonderfully clicky scroll wheel, a push-to-talk button, and the rotating rabbit eye camera. Boot it up, and you get a retro-looking interface built around a large action model, a universal controller for your services. You link accounts through the Rabbit Hole web portal, Spotify, Uber, DoorDash, then drive everything with your voice. Press, speak, and the AI navigates apps for you. The wheel refines results, the screen confirms. Simple tasks, great. Play a track, fetch weather, it's quick and impressive, but complexity can trip it up, and service limits bump into walled gardens. Computer vision is promising. It ID'd milk, eggs, cheese, but thought ketchup was hot sauce. Fascinating, not infallible, an incredibly cool glimpse of contextual vision-based AI. But it still feels like a beta of the future. Next, the Humane AI pin. Premium unboxing, jewelry vibes, with a magnetic battery booster, polished metal and glass with satisfying heft. Hardware is gorgeous. It's designed to be screenless, helping you look up, not down at a phone. You tap and hold to talk, with a tiny projector and camera handling context. The sci-fi moment, laser ink display on your palm, tilt to navigate, pinch to select. The first time feels like magic. In bright daylight, it struggles. Gestures have a learning curve. I made mistakes, closing menus, mis-selecting. Powered by models from OpenAI and Microsoft, it needs its own subscription and phone number. It's excellent for message summaries, object ID, and real-time translation. Speak English, hear Spanish back. But as a phone replacement, it falls short. Long dictation is clunky, and there's no classic web browsing. Beautiful hardware and profound ideas, yet daily use has friction that reminds you how refined phones are. Still, as a specialized communicator, it's compelling. And now, number 3, will surprise you. Gadget number 3. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, designed to blend in, not stand out. A bit thicker than classic Wayfarers, with a camera, open-ear speakers, and mics hidden in the frame. Listen to music or podcasts, take calls hands-free, and capture POV photos and videos with a tap. Hey, Meta. Now with multimodal AI, say, "Hey, Meta," and ask about what you're seeing. It answered with Art Deco details on a building. It can translate menus or identify objects on the fly. A true augmented intelligence accessory. Low light and complex questions can stump it, and the recording LED helps with privacy. But society's still adjusting. As a subtle, socially accepted form factor that offloads tasks to AI, it's the most mature and integrated so far. For capturing moments and quick info in daily life, it's incredibly compelling. And yes, you probably didn't expect number 3 to be sunglasses. Moving to the home, the frame from Samsung looks like a picture frame went off thanks to a flush mount and matte display. New AI art curation learns your tastes and time of day habits, curating artwork dynamically. It adapts brightness and color to both your room and the specific artwork. Oil, photo, or watercolor, each rendered authentically. Serene beach at sunset in the style of Van Gogh. A new generative feature lets you prompt custom pieces, like a Van Gogh-style sunset, created in seconds.
Alexa.
It raises questions about art and authorship, but purely as tech, it's stunning and blends beautifully into your space. It's premium, and some features need a subscription. Yet it's a powerful example of AI enhancing aesthetics. Less about raw power, more about intelligence that disappears into your home. Back to wearables, the Oura Ring, Gen 3, a simple, elegant, lightweight band that disappears on your finger. Inside are infrared PPG sensors for heart rate and SpO2, a temperature sensor, and a 3D accelerometer. It tracks you 24/7, activity by day, but its real strength is overnight data. It measures HRV, temperature, respiratory rate, and sleep stages, light, deep, and REM. Each morning you get sleep, activity, and the key readiness score. an AI-driven view of recovery. Rather than raw graphs, it explains what to do and why, with personalized context. New Oura Coach adds a conversational layer. Ask questions in plain English and get tailored answers. It helps pros optimize, and helps the rest of us just feel better, one habit at a time. A quiet example of AI working in the background to give deeply personal, useful insights. This is the MotionMax desk, a premium standing desk with quiet, smooth motors and serious build quality. Its AI comes from a sensor bar and control puck. No camera, but thermal and motion sensors for presence and posture. It learns your routine and gently nudges you to alternate sitting and standing to hit daily goals. AI Posture Coach uses thermal mapping to infer slouching or neck craning, then alerts you with specific guidance. Over time, those micro corrections can reduce back pain and fatigue. Ambient AI done right. Not cheap, but for 8-hour desk days, a workspace that looks out for you is powerful. The Sentinel drone is an autonomous home security system with a rugged quadcopter and a smart base station. Define a geo-fence and schedule patrols. It launches, flies routes, and docks to recharge, all on its own. Onboard AI distinguishes normal from suspicious. A squirrel versus a person, a delivery drop versus a lurker at 2 a.m. When it detects a threat, it spotlights, opens two-way audio, and pings your phone with live video. A flying, talking robot is a serious deterrent. It's geo-fenced and fully logged. Per Trauber. Are real, cutting-edge, controversial, and undeniably futuristic. A glimpse at proactive, autonomous security. So there you have it, 7 visions of an AI-powered future, from screenless ambition to subtle accessories and ambient intelligence. The winners are the ones solving real problems without added complexity. AI that quietly augments your life. Which one blew your mind the most? L'accordi by de Dursen Charles de Berthier, what the bar son. Instant comments, like, subscribe, and share with fellow tech fans. Smart Gadget IQ, stay smart. Stay ahead.